Hey BYD family, welcome back to BYD Insider, your trusted channel for the best accessories and smart upgrades for your BYD Atto 3. Today we're spotlighting a small but super useful accessory, the charging port silica gel sealing ring cover, designed exclusively for the BYD Atto 3, also known as the Yuan Plus from 2022 to 2023. So why do you need this? Well, your EV's charging port is exposed to dust, rain, and even insects, things you don't want interfering with your charging system. This silica gel ring creates a tight, waterproof, and dustproof seal, ensuring that nothing unwanted gets in. It's made from high-grade, flexible silica gel that fits perfectly into the port without damaging or altering anything. Installation takes just seconds, no tools, no hassle. And once it's on, it acts as a barrier that protects your EV's most critical access point, the charging port. Plus, it's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, and it keeps your charging area cleaner for longer, reducing wear and tear over time. If you're serious about maintaining your Atto 3 in top condition, this is a must-have. I've dropped the exact product links I used in the description below. Go check them out and protect your investment. And if you're enjoying these BYD accessory tips, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one.